Hello, I'm Rami. Do you remember me? Teacher Nuran taught me a lot of letters today. Ready? D, duh, like dog. E, a, like elephant. F, f, like fish. G, goo, like goat. H, huh, like hat.
Well done, my little hero. The letters get easier every day.
I love letter sounds, and I want to learn more.
We learned new letters today, and tomorrow we continue the journey. Every letter has a sound, and every sound has a picture in a child's imagination.